All of these rappers, they taking the L. I just excel, put them in boxes like Windows Excel. Fuck how you feel, you gon' hate August like Jada and Will. I hope you respond and I pray that you will. I'm killing for real, top of the chain, I'm praying that will. Stop claiming you ill, you cleaner than Howie Mandel. Bunch of these rappers be saying they dope, stay in the West but no W's though. You spending 100, I'm 50%. You hitting your hardest but making no dent. I'm hardly impressed, all of your capping like Mitchell and Ness. Fake it in Yasmin's booty and breast. Who won the next? Heat on your chest like rated 03. Light duty bars, they way below me. Got a list to bury, I'm spitting dirty. I'm Stephen Chow in Fist of Furry. You fucking normal like missionary. Don't play with me bro, I'm great with a flow. These rappers are joke unless you gave it a snow. I'm a radio goat, name my own rapper that's ready to go. Toe to toe, Pac and Biggie, Nas and Hove, Game and 50. You ain't banging with me, you plain and simple. Not exchanging with me, it's a great decision. That's life or death. The mic be the weapon they charge me with. I'm like little reason that bars exist. I challenge you rappers to challenge me back. All of that dodging where the challenger at. As do or die, your reply is suicide. I let you decide. If not, then move aside. On God, you'll get crucified. You'll reside in a box with a dot on your head like Buddha's eyes. I'm Steve Young and Kenny Smith in 95. You'll survive better if you work a 9 to 5 as a nurse with no N95. I pull up to your town and prove my music worthy. They put the city on like a Warriors jersey. The bars with different angles, you don't see it coming in. The punches leave your face flat, so don't ask where I be, monkey.